it's been written that your perspective incorporates elements of Hinduism, the American Indians, and Islam.
Of course, yes.
So it's in that sense that the metaphysic is Hinduism.
Yes.
And the
religion is Islam, and the framework is Islam, of course. And the certain ecological barakah is Red Indian. Syncretism is an error, but in pure esotericism, a certain syncretism is possible. Yes, yes. You see this in India. You see Sufi who imitate the Jnani and so. It's natural. Or in Africa, the Negro are Muslims and the Arabs imitate a little bit the Negro, certain Turuk. So, because of the ambience.
Metaphysics then is the truth behind the meanings?
Yes, the one truth behind different expressions.
And how do we know that this metaphysical meaning is the truth?
Because we have the truth in ourselves. You see, it's we know the truth because we are the truth. But only this knowledge is hidden by ice because of the fall of man. But the realized man has an eye in the heart. Janti Ognata, say the Sioux Indians, eye of the heart, Ain al-Qalb in Arabic. And this is an infallible means of knowledge, this eye of the heart.
What then is the meaning of religion?
Religion is an adaptation to a certain mentality, to save everybody. With Plato, you cannot save everybody. But with a religion, you can save the last man. It's not necessary to be intelligent to be saved.
If we then have religion which saves us, why do we have need of metaphysics?
Because there are metaphysicians. A metaphysician can do nothing with religion. I can do nothing with religion alone. It doesn't interest me. It doesn't speak to me. I am drawn to God through metaphysical truth. Otherwise, I am not interested. Of course, I can do prayers and this I can do, but it's not the thing which tells me that I am on the right path.